Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how you can extract a honey from the honeycomb. Because I don't have the machine, I tried to put in a salad machine to extract it, but it was very hard to do it. Barely it was, the honey was coming. So I figured it out something. So over here, like you see, I did, but there was plenty I have in the jars. I put them away. And this is the honeycomb that you see it. It's very delicious and full of honeys in it. So, which I did plenty, like I said. You have to have a cheesecloth with the strainer and of course with the dish under. And you take the honey. First, you can take them, you can do it with the gloves if you want, but you can wash your hands. Make sure you wash your hands maybe 3 times and make sure it's very dry, your hands. If you want, you can do it with the gloves, which I did a lot, but sometimes it's sticking on the gloves. It's kind of hard to drip it. So the hand is the best way to do it. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. So you'll just hold the honey piece by piece like this, and you try to squeeze it as much as you can. Of course, you can do this once. You can put them away, and you can do it second time too again, or you can leave it in a strainer, and then you can keep it for whole day, and whatever there is on the honey that you squeeze it, it's gonna drip for you. So I left it just a little bit to show you that this is the way you'll do it, because if you don't have the machine, you'll see already it's dripping the honey. So you just hold it like this, and this is the way you'll do it. Like I said, you can put your gloves, or you can just do it like this, and you'll get as much honey as you can. And make sure when you pick up your honeycombs from the beehive, you make sure you leave them some. You don't take it all out. And sometimes what I do, I just leave part of the comb like this, and I put them into their hive, so that way they will still have honey. Any little drop of honey that there is, they will satisfy with that. And in my garden, of course, I have so much trees, so much flowers that they don't even have to leave the house to go any place to get their honeys. This is the way you'll do it, and we'll get all, like I said, every drop of honey. And you can show inside to see them how, and it's very good. Sometimes the comb, it falls down, but when you strain it, make sure that you have a very good cheesecloth or nice filter that it goes, or you can do in a very good clean sheets like a cotton. But lighter it is, like veil it is, it's easier. So this way, every drop of comb, it won't go through. There is anything on it, it won't. So this is the way you'll do it, and then you'll enjoy your honey. You can strain this even 2 times if you want, if your material is not good, and you get plenty. And then you can enjoy your honey with you, with your family, with kids. You can share them. Believe me, it's lots of honey comes out. This one, I guess I squeezed once already. Here it is. So anyway, this is the way you'll do in case if you don't have your machine. I'm gonna show them over there too. Okay, and then I have already over here the spatula. I don't know, you call this spatula? Okay. And then this is the strainer. You'll just fill it in. You'll see how beautiful is the honey. And you let it drip every drop that you squeezed out of it. We will clean some more later on. We want to make sure that it doesn't go out. And here you see it's running very nice and clear. And then you'll take the jars and you fill it in and you close it. And I don't boil them, I don't do anything, I just enjoy the honey the way it is. So I hope you'll try this. It's make sure that if you have honeycomb, just be careful, do not disturb them, don't leave them hungry, always keep some honey for them to enjoy, to continue to eat. All right, well, thank you for watching again. In case if you like this, please subscribe my channel and like and appreciate. Bye bye.